Look, logarithm is just all about knowing the properties. अपने पास base change है, anything like log to the base x y, we can change it to any base log to the base a y upon log to the base a x. That's what we need to do. Base change property कुछ भी, let's say log to the base 10 कर देंगे अपन, log to the base 10 a upon log to the base 10 b, log to the base 10 b upon log to the base 10 c, and log to the base 10 c upon log to the base 10 a. So what all we get? This and this cancel, this and this cancel, this and this cancel. Finally what we left out with is, look, ये base लिखना भी जरूरी नहीं था. Change base, so base उसका भी log. Change base, we change it to b base, so this thing, standard properties, and we get the answer. Look, the more important part is what? The more important thing is how you solve in the exam. Let's say log to the base b, अब ये आ गया log to the base c and log to the base a c. Let's say exam में you don't know which properties to be used. Trial error. This is what is all about. Most of the competitive exams are all about. कुछ भी powers of 2 ले लिया. So log to the base 4 2, log to the base 8 4, and log to the base 2 we get 8. So now log 2 square here 2, log 2 cube, this is 2 square, and this is nothing but property, बहुत बार देख ली है अपन ने, log 2, so nothing but 2 cube. Once again we'll talk of the property. The property is, look, ये बस property याद करना है, a is to b, so b upon y log to the base x. In the whole class we may have spoken 10 times about it. So this is 1 by 2 log 2 to the 2. So here 2 by 3 log to the base 2 2, and this is nothing but 3 log to the base 2 2. We all know log to the base 2 2 is 1. Obviously we all know that part. So this is 1 by 2 into 2 by 3 into 3. Solve it. What all we get here is 1. Means basically it was about कुछ नहीं आता, तो this is the best way. Let's say कुछ भी trial, and that's how most of the modern maths questions will be solved in CAT and all the other competitive exams. ABC. So 2 4 is nothing but 2 square, तो ये बाहर आ गया log 2. 8 is nothing but 2 cube 2 square, so ये बाहर आ गया 2 by 3. This is now 8 is nothing but 2 cube, ये बाहर आ गया, so answer is nothing but answer is 1. Just check it. Something much similar to previous one, so quickly we'll solve. 3 times log this thing, 3 times log to the base zy, and 3 times this is nothing but 3 basic property. Now what we know is 3 into, last question only we did, base change we are doing, कोई भी base into 3 log y upon log z, and 3 into log z upon log x. So what all we know, x z y, answer is nothing but answer is 27. Just like previous question we did, 3 log this thing, 3 log this thing, 3 log this thing, base change x up this thing, we already saw that part, so let's not spend energies on that. Or even with trial error you could have gone just like we went. Everything is possible, trial and error, like last time only we have done, but let's check it. X cube log to the base z y cube and log to the base x z cube. So let's say x is what, let's say we take 10, y we take 100, y we take bigger values, take smaller values only, 2 4 and z 8. Same thing, everything we have done up till now. So what we get is 4 2 cube log to the base, ये important है, कोई भी question जम जाएगा ऐसे से, y 4 cube and log to the base 2 8 cube. So this is nothing but 3 log 2 square 2, log 8 is nothing but 3 cube, this is 2 square, and this 3 common, and 3 log to the base 2 2 cube. So this 2 will come out 3 by 2 into log 2 to the base 2, 3 by 2 log 2 to the base 2, this 3 will also come out, and 3 into 3 log to the base 2 2. So this is 1 1 1. Look, quickly check कर लो क्या किया है. Trial error, like answer options values put कर रहे हैं. X 2 4. So this 3 comes outside. 2 square, this 2 denominator का comes outside. Now y is 4 raised to 3 comes outside. This 3 denominator में comes, and this power 2. So this comes this thing. Now this thing 8 is nothing but 2 cube. This 3 first came outside. 2. Now 3 into 3. Other parts, what all we know, they are 1. So what we get here is 3 by 2 into 1. 3 by 2, 3 into 2 into 1, 3 into 3. So what we get, cancel this, cancel this. So answer is nothing but, we practice it extra कि कैसे भी एग्जाम में जमेगा. Look, logs में हमेशा याद रखो, log to the base n is 1. जहाँ भी 1 रहा ये तो लगा ही सकते हैं. 1 can be replaced by this thing. That's what we do. Now log to the base n m. That's what multiplied by log to the base mn x. Now what all we do is log a plus log b. We all know the property. सारी properties लिख देता हूँ लगे तो. log a plus log b is nothing but log of a plus b. Now log to the base n into m. Now I can change this base. यहाँ मेरे पास n है तो I can write this to the base n x upon log to the base n mn. log base change property सबको पता है. base change properties log to the base a b. तो नए बेस को निकालना है तो upon log to the same base इसका. This is the property we have got. Now what all we can use here is this value. First of all, what we were given was 1. I replace log to the base n. Why we did n? Because यहाँ n है. Now because इसका base n है, we change this value to base n. Now this value gets cancelled. So answer is log to the base n x. Look, I will always recommend, that's how I solve in the CAT papers. You go with the trial error. Let's say I take m as 100, n as 10. सारे bases obviously why we are taking this कि logarithm में कुछ multiples चाहिए. 1 plus log to the base what 10 100 into log to the base mn 10 into 100 and x का value 1000. So log 1 10 square 2 log 1000 to the base 1000 multiplied है sorry. Now what all we get, 1 plus 2 multiplied by this log to the base 1000, this is 1. Answer is 3. I repeat, यही method है. Any log question you come across, no hint you are having. 10 square 100, 1, 1000 raised to 1000, answer 3. Now based on the answer options, let's try it. Answer option 1, it says log to the base nx. अपन ने n लिया है 10 और x लिया है 1000. 10 cube is 1000. आंसर आ जाता है 3. 10 cube is 1000. 10 raised to what 1000? 3. आंसर आ गया. बट इफ यू ट्राई सेकेंड, अपने को 3 ही चाहिए यहाँ पे. log to the base mx आएगा ही नहीं. 1000 ये आंसर आ जाएगा. log to the base 10 square 10 cube, it will be 3 by 2. So that's why luckily first trial में that's the best way of doing if you don't know anything. Let's check out quickly here what all we can do. Now somehow like finally we know this can be written as base change. base उल्टा कर देंगे base x a और इसको कर देंगे I'm so sorry 1 upon base उल्टा कर दे रहे हैं log to the base x b. Now this can be solved as log to the base ax into log to the base bx upon this nothing but becomes what log. बचपन में मैथ सीखा है अपन ने. a plus log to the base x b upon log to the base x a into log to the base x b. This bottom will go up, so what we get log a x to the base a log x to the base b into log to the base x a into log to the base x b. This is our numerator. ये numerator हो जाएगा and denominator will be log to the base x a plus log to the base x b. Simply what all we did up till now. ये तो normal रखा है, this base उल्टा कर दिया है, so 1 by base उल्टा कर दिया है 1 by. So now normal solving of maths, this plus this upon this, so this will go to the top. Now what all we know is log to the base ax and log to the base x a property है अपने पास में log to the base ax into log to the base x a. This is nothing but 1. So now this part will be 1 and this part will be 1. So what all left out with is 1 upon, check it, 1 upon log to the base x a plus log to the base x b. So what we get is 1 upon log to the base x a plus b, standard property, log a plus log b, changing the base, sorry, log a plus b, standard properties, I'm so sorry. So what all we get here is change the base, log to the base ab x, log to the base ab x, 1 by इसको अपन ने ऐसे लिख लिया. Now I will always prefer you go with the answer options. Let's say you don't know anything and how it works out. Log to the base a x plus log to the base b x upon, we need log to the base a x plus log to the base b x. That's what value we need. Now this is into, sorry, now how it works out. Let's say multiples ले लेते हैं, a 2 my favorite values, ये multiples है तो it becomes easier for us. X value 16, powers calculation easy हो जाएगा. So let's do it. Log to the base ये it will not affect the answer, answer बराबर ही आएगा, कुछ भी ले लो. 16 upon log to the base 2 16 plus log to the base 4 16. 2 raised to 4 is 16, 4 raised to 2 is 16, 2 upon 4 plus 2. So according to our assumption 8 by 6, answer comes out 3 by 2. I have taken a2, b4 and x16. So putting the values, 2 raised to 4 is 16, 4 raised to 2 is 16, 2 raised to obviously this. अब ये आंसर कौन सा आंसर ऑप्शन देता है? A2 लिया है, B4 लिया है और X16 लिया. देखो कौन सा आंसर ऑप्शन देता है. आंसर ऑप्शन 1 सेज log to the base B A. अपन ने A लिया है 2, B लिया है 4 और X लिया है 16 और अपना आंसर आ रहा है 4 by 3. Check it here. Log to the base 4 2. This will give me 1 by 2. 4 raised to half. 4 raised to half. So no. This will not be the answer. Answer option 2, check it. Log to the base a b, so that will make it 2. Answer 2 आ जाएगा, 2 आ जाएगा. अपने को 4 by 3 चाहिए. No, it's not going to work out. Answer option 3, log to the base a b x, check it. Log 4 into 2 and x का value 16. Check it. We have got the answer here. Log to the base 8, that is 2 cube and 2 raised to 4. Going by the property we get 4 by 3. Log to the base 2 2 1. So answer आ गया 4 by 3. So this is the answer option. That's what we should get. Scary question and an easy answer. जहाँ भी 1 by वगैरह दिखा, base तो change कर ही सकते हैं. This is nothing but base change कर ले रहे हैं. 1 by this thing, so base will become x y z xy. This will become base, we change it, उल्टा हो गया yz and इसका भी base change कर लिया xyz and this becomes xzzx. what all. Log a plus b सबको पता है xyz, xy into yz plus xz. Property log a plus log b plus log c. So log to the base xyz. This is into not plus, I'm so sorry. Log a plus b सबको प्रॉपर्टी पता है, x square y square z square. So let's quickly check out what all we get. Here is nothing but log to the base x y z xyz bracket square. So 2 log xyz xyz log, सिंपली अपन ने जस्ट बेस चेंज किया है, उल्टा कर दिया है, बेस उल्टा दिस थिंग, दिस वैल्यू we reverse the base and we get the answer xyz log a plus log b plus log c, log a into b into c. So this is nothing but this. So obviously log to the base, same base, answer this is nothing but is 1. So final answer will be 2 here. Final answer will be 2. Again the same logic. It may be repetitive for you, but I want that confidence. दुनिया में कभी भी log का question आया, आंसर आना चाहिए x, y and z. Let's say I check this thing. So whatever way you want to solve it, whichever way you want to solve it, ऐसे ही रखना है तो भी चलेगा. 1 upon log xy. So what we get? 8. This is 64. xyz. That's what we get. 1 upon yz. Log to the base yz. Yz will become 32. This is nothing but what? xyz 64. And this is nothing but 1 upon log base is zx, that is 16, and value is 64. Either you make it ulta base or 1 upon log 8 square, 1 upon log, this is nothing but 2 raised to 5 32 and 2 raised to 6. कैसे भी जमेगा 2 raised to 4 and 2 raised to 6. What all we can do is 1 upon 2 log to the base 8 perfectly fine, 1 आ जाएगा. 1 upon 6 by 5 log to the base 2 and 1 upon 6 by 4 properties बहुत बार हो गई है, log 2 to the base 2. So what all we get? Log a to the base a 1 by 2. This is value 1. 1 upon 6 by 5 by 6. 1 upon 6 by 4 nothing but 1 upon 3 by 2 by 3. Solve it. LCM 6 3 5 and what we get? 4. 12 upon 2. Answer will be 2. कोई भी ट्रायल एरर से जाओ, कोई भी कैसे भी जाओ, we can always get the answer. Values we put in. We took x2, y4 and z, this thing. 8 raised to 8 square, ये 2 आ जाएगा. 2 raised to 5 32, 2 raised to 5 64, 2 raised to 6. So this is 6 by 5, this value. And yes, 2 raised to 4, 6 by 4, this value. So answer comes out 2. Enough practice we got so that we can easily get out next time when we get it, that anything is workable with trial and error. Look, simply what all we can do is log to the base 2 x minus 1, log to the base 2 x minus 3 bracket square. Now, so what all log gets cancelled, x minus 1 equal to x minus 3 bracket square. So which gives us x minus 1 equal to x square minus 6x plus 9. So it gives us x square minus 7x. What all we get here is plus 10 equal to 0. Solving it we get x is 5 और x is 2. Look, यही ट्रैप है क्वेश्चन का, बाकी तो बेसिक क्वेश्चन है. log to the base 2 x minus 1, 2 raised goes to the power x minus 3, both base same, so we can equate this. We solve it. Look, x can be 5 or can be 2, but if we put x2 here, I get negative value, and log can never be of negative. Log only can be there for the positive things. So equation has two answers. This does not satisfy this thing. So only one solution is there. Only one solution is there. Only one, that is 5. यहाँ x अगर 2 डाला तो ये निगेटिव आएगा. निगेटिव नंबर का log नहीं होता है. Look, how do you find out number of digits in any power? The simple thing is take log of that number to the base 10. So we need 3 raised to 40. So how we got 40 log to the base 10, 3. So we get 40 into 0.477. 4 sevens are 28, 2 remaining, 30, 3 remaining. So now, what all is this part? We call it the integral part or anything. Plus 1, 19 plus 1. How many digits will be there? 20 digits will be there. बहुत सिंपल कैलकुलेशन है. जैसे तुम्हें कुछ दूसरा देखना है तो जैसे ऐसे कर. 10 square 100. How many digits are there? 2. Now we know log to the base 10. 10, what is it? 1. Digits here 3 digits. Find out log to the base 10. 10 square log is 2, but number of digits ये 3 digit number है, ये 2 आया, so number of digits we get 3. One more example I'll give you. Log to the base 10,000. चल we need let's say 10 raised to 5. 10 raised to 5 कितने digits आ जाते हैं? 6 digits. 6 digits are there, and if I find out log to the base 10, 10 raised to 5, this is nothing but 5. So 5 number of digits 6. So simply what all I taught is, even in CAT papers last 2 years it's going on. How do you find out? So integer part 19 plus 1, the number of digits we get 20. Look, let's not confuse 1 raised to 1000 upon 2 raised to 1000. That's what it stands for, 1 raised to anything. So now this can be written as 2 raised to minus 1000. Again the same thing, इसका log निकाल लो. Log to the base 10, 2 raised to minus 1000. So it minus 1000 into log to the base 10 to, we know log 10 का वैल्यू होता, log 2 का वैल्यू है 0.3010. So what all we get here is minus 301 point something, जो भी आएगा something. So now simply it means there are 301 zeros between, there are going to be 301 zeros before the something significant digit comes. Look, that's how we do. 2 raised to 1000, 1 upon, so इसको लिख दिया 2 raised to minus 1000, minus 1000 log 2. So minus value means simply there are 301 zeros after point, and then something will start. Look, what all we know is 9 raised to 1 by 2 is 3 and 2 square is 4. What do I mean by that? Log to the base 9 3, this is 1 by 2, and log to the base 2 4 is nothing but 2 square, 2 raised to 2, तो ये आंसर आ जाएगा 2 equal to 10 to the base raised to the power log to the base x 83. So 2 plus 81, that is 83 equal to 10 log x. Look, peculiar number, ये 83 इधर इधर क्या हो रहा है? What's the use? Now one more property we have got. Let's try to understand property first. Let's say if I ask you 10 raised to log to the base 10 100, what do you get? We know 10 square is 100. So 10 square is 100. So log this thing is nothing but is going to be 10 square, which is 100. So property is nothing but x raised to log to the base x y. Answer is nothing but y. Standard property है x raised to log to the base x y. Standard answer is y. So let's quickly check out. अब ये 83 है, 10 raised to, अगर ये भी base 10 रहा तो ये आंसर 83 आ जाएगा. So x value has to be nothing but what? 10. तो ही ये प्रॉपर्टी काम में आ जाएगी. Because we know ये आंसर 83 लाना है, and we know 10 raised to the base raised to log to the base 10 83, answer is going to be 83. So that's why x value should be 10. Look, we all know very well the base change. So many times we have discussed, but log is new for some of you. That's why again and again we discuss. This thing is nothing but base change. So now how we use it here, let's quickly check out. Look, base सबका same ले आते हैं. So what all we get? 1 upon log n to the base, this thing log base n बना रहा हूँ मैं. Now 1 upon log to the base n b, log to the base n c, and this is nothing but log to the base n c into log to the base n e. Now let's make the LCM of everything. Log to the base n a into log to the base n b into log to the base n c. So now this should be nothing but log to the base n c, log to the base n a and log to the base n b. Let's check it. ये उल्टा कर लिया, ये already is there, so I need here c, this part, this is already there, so here I need a and here I need b. That's what is needed. So now how we solve it is so simple stuff. Now basic thing, properties of log. Furthermore, what all properties we know? Log a plus log b is nothing but log ab. That's what we know very well. So now what all can be used here is log to the base n c into a into b upon log to the base n a into log to the base n b into log to the base n c. So now again, if we make it inverse, means this is nothing but a into b into c. If I make it inverse, this goes वही property वापस से inverse log to the base b n log to the base c n upon nothing but log to the base a b c n. उल्टा किया बेस चेंज हो गया, उल्टा किया बेस चेंज हो गया, उल्टा किया बेस उल्टा हो गया, and this thing again base becomes this. Look, again trial and error was always there with us, or putting the values. What we needed is, look, ये कभी कुछ नहीं जमता है, log to the base a n into log to the base b n. Next part we know log to the base b n into log to the base c n, and thirdly log to the base cn into log to the base an. So let's say I take a as 2, b as 4, c as 8 and सबका multiple n I take as 64, सबका power. So now what all we know, log to the base 2. Look, that's what, if nothing is working out in your favor, this can always work if you are not able to work it out how to solve it. Log to the base 4 64, log to the base c is 8 64, and furthermore log to the base c, that is 8 64 into log to the base, this part, log to the base is 264. So let's solve. 2 raised to 6 4 cube plus, look, 2 raised to 6 I get this thing, 4 raised to cube I get this thing, 4 cube 3, 8 square 2, so this part 8 square and 2 raised to 6. So what all we get here is nothing but 18 plus 6 plus 12. Look, मैंने trial and error ऐसे ही values put कर दिए, A2 B4 B4 C8, and I took everything का multiple this thing as this thing. We solve it, we get answer 2 raised to 6 64, 4 raised to. Now अब आंसर ऑप्शन ट्राई करो, कौन सा आंसर ऑप्शन 36 का है. We have taken A as 2, B as 4, C as 8 and N as 64. आंसर ऑप्शन देखो कौन सा आंसर ऑप्शन 36 देता है. लकीली पहला ही देगा, we know very well, so इसीलिए दूसरा ट्राई करें. log ABC n upon log to the base an. So we get log ABC 2 into 4 into 8 raised this thing upon log to the base this thing. So this is 64 64, I will get 1 by 6. I needed 36. This is the wrong choice for us. Let's say I try answer option C. Answer option C, log to the base Bn upon log to the base ABCn. Now log to the base Bn 464 upon 2 into 4 into 8, and this is what 64. So 4 cube we get 3 upon 1. अपने को चाहिए 36, ये भी नहीं आएगा. So obviously answer has to be A, but try करके देखते हैं. Log to the base An, log to the base Bn, log to the base Cn upon log to the base ABCn. Let's try. Values वही डालनी है. A2 64, B we have taken 4 and C we have taken 8. Try करके देख रहे, does it give me the answer, the what all I want? 36 I want. Check it. 2 raised to 6 64, 4 cube 64, 8 square upon 64 raised to 164. Answer is, look, this method we use when we don't know कैसे solve करना है. We know how to solve, so we could have used this thing and we have got the answer what all we wanted. ये तो answer आ ही गया था. Look, what all has been given is this is equal to this, equal to this. So if we equate these two and if we equate these two, what all we get? A is nothing but log to the base y x upon log to the base z y, and b is nothing but log to the base y x upon b to the log base x z. Now, if I have to multiply a into b, what all I'll be getting here is a के value डाल दिए हैं upon this thing into b log y. Look, modern maths का problem ये है, basis log के basis same रखे कि सब easy हो जाता है. तो let's go for some other base. Let's say of our choice a b आ गया, let's say k constant का k, log k x base change कर रहे हैं, इसका same base k सबका ला रहे हैं. Now upon this is nothing but is going to be equal to what? I'm changing everything to base k. We all know log to the base z, इसके जगह k किया तो पहले इसका value, then same value का to that base. We all know very well what all we do. Log to the base x y अलग से चल रहा है. So what we do is for any other base log k y upon log to the base k x. That's what is the property. This is the property we are using. Everything this पहले, that's what we are changing to base k. Now same way here, log to the base k x upon log to the base k y, and the same thing log to the base k z upon log to the base k x. Z cancel. What all we get here is this one log to the base kx other, and this denominator will go to the top 3 times, and this bottom will be 1, 2 and 3 times. Total 3 times bottom, 3 times top. So what all we get here is, let's quickly check. A into b, that's what we were doing, log to the base kx 3 times and log to the base ky 3 times. So now, so what all we get here is simple सा concept है. A into b we got this time, total 3 times we have got. So now what all we can work it out is nothing but log to the base kx upon log to the base ky, this bracket raised to 3 times. Now simply what do we do is, look, दोनों का base same base change property will be using. We can write it as log to the base y x bracket cube. How it works out, सुन लो. How it works out is, if I have to write this thing log to the base y x, I can write it log to the base kx upon log to the base ky. So using the same property k base, I can rewrite it as log to the base y. Using the property I can write this, and from that again I can rewrite this. So what all I got, and this value, if you go to the original equation given, this is nothing but equal to what? AB. So now, so we are writing here this is nothing but AB cube. So we got AB equal to AB cube. This is possible only in 2 ways. Either it's possible, ये आ गया, either it's possible when A into B is 1, 1 is equal to 1 cube, or it's possible AB is 0, 0 equal to 0 cube. Means based on all that, AB is either 1 or 0. A into B, एक तो चाहिए 0 या चाहिए 1. That's what we need. So look at all the answer options, what all we have got here. What we needed here is, look at answer option this, -2 and 1 by 2. So this is going to give us 1 or -1, means anything it will work out. So even that is also right. We all know very well that even -1 and -1 cube is also right. Yes, both are 1. So that's what we are working on. So quickly check out. इसका भी product a into b will be -1 चलेगा, 1 into 1 again product is 1 चलेगा, 0.4 and 0.25 again product is 1, pi and 1 by pi product is 1, but 2 into 2 means 2 and 2 4, this is not going to work, so that's what we got the answer as. This is the wrong choice. Look, let's quickly check out simple thing, log to the base x. X log सबको पता है log a upon b is nothing but log a minus log b. That's what we are doing, log to the base x y plus log to the base y y minus log to the base y x. So now log to the base x x 1 minus log to the base x y 1 minus log to the base this thing. So 1 plus 1 2, 2 minus log to the base x y minus log to the base y x. Now थोड़ा बहुत solve करना है. Somehow let's say if I write it here, log to the base x y is nothing but, let's say it's p. Look, we know very well, mind well, 1 upon log to the base y x is nothing but log to the base x y, or if I want to write it this way, 1 upon log to the base x y is nothing but log, one and the same thing. So now 2 minus p, this is nothing but 1 by p. I can always write it. I have written this thing as nothing but this. I have taken this as this. So now I can write it as minus into bracket p minus 2 plus 1 by p. So that's what. Like, why did I write it? Somewhere something has to come our way. This is nothing but root p minus 1 by root p bracket square. Check it. Root p का square p minus 2ab सबको पता है. Now if we go for this thing, look, there is one more fundamental fact. कुछ भी try कर लो, anything x plus 1 by x or x minus 1 by x, this can never be 1. This can never be 1. Try it anyhow, कोई भी value try करके देख लो, this will never be 1. This or this, it can never be 1. Try for any value, it will never come. Now if this can never be 1, so what all we know, this square, we want this value, what all it can never be 1. So ये value अपने को चाहिए है. So now root p रहे या p रहे, this value can never be 1. So answer, it cannot be 1. Anything else it can come, but this cannot be 1. Look, simple चीज था. Log x, this thing, we worked it out. Log to the base y is 1. Log to the base this thing, इसको उल्टा लिखा, we took this as p, this is nothing but this thing. So what all we get here is, कोई भी value try करके देख लो, this value can never be 1. So answer, it cannot be 1. Look, very straightforward question. Log a plus b plus c अपने को पता है, log multiplied, so m into m square into m cube, going on up to n terms. And here what do we get? 1n square. So आएंगे n terms, इसके भी n terms ही आएंगे. Now the thing is, m raised to 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n, and this part n, 1 plus 2 plus 3, it will be n minus 1. Look, पहले term में n नहीं है, so there is one difference everywhere. So if this is n times, this will be n minus 1 times. So now furthermore, quickly, it's so simple now for us. M raised to 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n, what is it? N into n plus 1 upon 2, and this part divided by is n, 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n, but n का value है यहाँ n minus 1 plus 1 upon 2. सो नाउ इफ यू चेक आउट, दोनों में यहाँ पे n/2 तो दोनों में आएगा, बट यहाँ n का टर्म ये n+1 है, दिस थिंग इज देयर, सो log m raised to n+1 divided by n raised to n-1, both common is what, n/2, दोनों में ये कॉमन वैल्यू था, ये ऊपर चला गया है. So what all we get, this is the answer. What should stand out is, ये ऐसा क्यों दिया है, like somewhere 2 cube and this is 10/2, somewhere hint लग जाएगा. Basic properties enough practice we have done now. So log 3 ये basic properties है अपने पास में. Look what I can write it as. Look ये चलो base change कर देते हैं, और you should think that this is cube and this can be written as 10/2. ऐसे कुछ सोच सकते हो, आगे यूज करेंगे. Let's say right now I don't use all that, but you could have used everything like that. And right now what I try to do is, let's change the base. Any x base 5 upon log to the base x. Enough practice we have done how we do all these things. So what all we get here is log to the base 3 m raised to 1/3 into n cube is 1 plus, look, log to the base x 5 I can write as 10/2, क्योंकि इधर भी दिख रहा है मुझे 2, and this can be written as 2/10 bracket cube 0.008 is nothing but this thing. So now यहीं पे hint, enough hints are there. So log to the base 3. Now इसको अगर ऐसे लिखना है, m n raised to 9 raised to 1/3, फॉर्मेट वैसे दिया हुआ है करके, अदरवाइज कुछ नहीं है. सबको इधर 3 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, इधर डिवाइड किया. सो व्हाट ऑल वी गेट हियर इज 1 प्लस log to the base x 10 minus log to the base x 2 upon log to the base x, चलो ये 3 बाहर ले लिया है मैंने, 3 बाहर ले लिया है, log to the base x 2 minus log to the base x 10. 3 बाहर आ गया है. उल्टा भी कर सकते हैं, here we can do उल्टा. Look, numerator I can write उल्टा as minus, so minus common बाहर निकाल लिया है, तो what I can write it as log x 2 minus log to the base x 10 upon 3 times this value log to the base x 2 minus log to the base x 10. ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा, -1/3. आंसर आ गया है, सब कुछ अपने पास आ गया है. अभी क्या लिखा था देखो. Look what all we did. Look, this part has to stand out. This is 10/2 and this part that has to stand out. ये तो नॉर्मल प्रॉपर्टी है, log to the base 3, ये ऊपर चला गया raised to 1/3, ये ऊपर चला गया 3. Now this part 9 में दिया हुआ है, तो मल्टीप्लाई बाय इधर 3 और इधर raised to 1/3. The more important part we talk of now, this 5 can be written as 10/2, this 5 and this 2/10. यहीं पे अपना दिमाग लग गया, यहीं पे कॉमन वैल्यू आ गई. So now log any base change, this thing we have done, log a upon b, this thing. अब कैंसिल करने के लिए इसका माइनस साइन बाहर निकाल लिया, तो this thing उल्टा हो गया. So what we are left out is this got cancelled. Log to the base 3, log to the base 3, what all we had got this, check it, m n raised to 9, m n raised to 9 cube root 1 minus 1/3. अब आगे कुछ नहीं है, बेसिक थिंग्स आर देयर. raised to 1/3 equal to 2/3. So obviously what we know, log to the base x y equal to z, x raised to z y कितनी बार, 3 raised to 2/3 is nothing but mn raised to 9 raised to 1/3. अब raised to 1/3 लाना है, तो 3 square raised to 1/3 equals to mn raised to 9 raised to 1/3 cancel हो गया. 3 square is nothing but 9, so 9 is mn raised to 9. Answer is asked in the format of, so we get n raised to 9 is 9 upon m. Look, this value we had already got. Log to the base this thing, 1 minus 1/3 solve करके ये आ गया. So this 3 raised to this 2/3, 3 raised to 2/3 is mn, this thing. 3 square 9 raised to 1 by 3 raised to 1 by 3 same हो गया. So now what all we know here is, let's check it. All old cat files, that's what we are doing. Tougher ones, very tough ones, but you all could understand it. Let's end the day on a positive note. Let's understand one funda of life here. Let's say I ask you log to the base 2 4, log to the base 2 16. What is it? This value is 2, this value is 4, and log to the base 2 64. This value is 6. 2 raised to 2 4, 2 raised to 2 4 6, 2 raised to 6. So now 2 4 and 6, this is arithmetic progression, but these values 4 16 and 64, this is plus 2 plus 2, 4 16 and 64 into 4 into 4. If certain log, these values are in AP, logs of certain things are in AP, then those values should be in a GP. This is the concept. If logarithm of certain things are in AP, the numbers should be in a GP. That's what we know. Answer option is the best way. So what we want, 2 raised to x minus 5 and 2 raised to x minus 7 by 2, they should form a GP. First answer option I check out. Let's quickly check out. First answer option given here is 5, 2, this thing, and 2 raised to this thing. 32 minus 5, 27. 32 minus 7 by 2, 32 minus this thing. Are they in a GP? No, this is not a GP. ये GP में नहीं है. Answer option 2. मैंने answer option 1 try किया 5. Let's say answer option 2 I try 4. So what all I get? 2 raised to 4 minus 5 and 2 raised to 4 minus 7 by 2. ये GP में नहीं आते हैं values. ये GP में नहीं आते हैं. Third one. Now let's say I try answer option 2. 2 raised to 2 minus 5, 2 raised to 4, sorry, I'm putting answer option 2. ये भी GP में नहीं आते. If you want to check out the values, 2 minus 1, 4 minus, this is 0.5. They do not form a GP. So has to be the fourth one as the answer option. 2 raised, answer option 3 we are trying. Value as 3. 2 cube minus 5. 2 cube minus 7 by 2. If you check out these values, 2, 3 and 8 minus this thing, 4.5 into 1.5 into 1.5. ये GP में है, ये GP में है, तो आंसर राइट आएगा. आंसर राइट आएगा. आंसर ऑप्शन 4 ये GP में है into 1.5 into 1.5. So answer has to be answer 3. If you want me to prove it, check the values. What all we got? Log to the base 3, 2. I put x ka value log to the base 3. 2 raised to x, I'm putting 3 minus 5. And log to the base 2 raised to 3 minus 7 by 2. They will definitely come. So log 3, 2. Log to the base 3, 3. And log to the base 3. 8 minus this thing, that is 8 minus 7 by 2, that is 9 by 2. They definitely come. Even if you want furthermore to be proved, it can be proved. These things are in AP, these values are in AP. 2, 3 and 9 by 2 into 1.5, 3 into 1.5, 4.5. ये GP में है, इनके logs EP में है. Answer आया है, answer was 3. Let's end here now. So log is all about nothing but thinking sensibly, mugging up formula and trying and error. Like put the values, get sensible values, and you will always be able to solve each and every question on logarithm.